Bodgey here. Today I'm going to be breaking open 2 Geodes by National Geographic. Nice box, I like it. Break open Geodes instructions and learning guide, okay? I'll have a look at this at the end. The instructions I'll read first. First we've got some goggles in case the Geodes go flying. Plastic. Nice. And I got the 2 Geodes. Oh my god, they look so good. A magnifying glass and some random triangle thing, which I think is a stand. And a cork box. First, guys, I'm just going to put on my goggles. What I want to use is a hammer, and make sure you have supervision with this, because if this bangs on your finger, you might need to go to the hospital. So make sure you got a hammer, and there's 2 methods of doing this. The hammer and chisel way, which is get a chisel and you knock it onto the geode and make it smash, that makes a mess, or you do the sock method. You put the geode inside the sock and you just bash the geode inside the sock. So I'm going to be doing the sock method, obviously, because it's the most safer one. But no mess. Before we get started, let's read the instructions. Alright. Sock method, how I'm going to be doing it. Since younger children often have trouble tapping lightly, this is a good method to use. Keep pieces of rock flying from potentially hitting someone, like I said. Place a geode in a sock and hit very lightly with a hammer, because you're cushioning the geode. Your chances of 2 neat halves are not great as with the hammer and chisel method, but it's still possible. Remember, starting by hitting the geode softly. You can always hit it harder until it breaks open and reveals its treasure. In case you're wondering what a geode is a hollowed rock that crystals are formed inside of. Let's get started. Get my sock out. We're going to start off one by one, each geode. God, look how this thing looks. Sandy. These socks are going to have to go in the wash afterwards, because I'm not going to be wearing socks that has geode dust inside of them. Oh, that's satisfying. Now I'm just going to tie a little light knot into my sock, not too hard that I can't undo it, because in case these geode pieces does go flying, I don't want it getting in my pens. So I want everything will last bit of it. So it's here. Now I'm just thinking what I hate this. No, I want to keep the box. The box is good. I'll use this thing, the cork box. So I'll put it there and I'll tap lightly with the hammer. I think it might have crushed. The cork box has a hole in it. There goes that idea. Actually no, I want to keep it a surprise. I'm not going to undo it yet, I'll keep it as a surprise. Oh, this looks here. Get another geode. This one up. This dust could be good for gold panning, but I doubt there'd be anything in it. Satisfying moment again. Let's give this thing another try. not broken yet. Surprised. This thing's unbreakable. Yeah. Ah, now it's broken, is it? National Geographic, have you made the second one unbreakable? Just flip upside down and I think I have. Yeah, take that, unbreakable geode. I don't think the geode's actually breaking. Goodbye, cork box. I'm sorry. I break the box. It's still not broken. What the? R1, R2, R3. National Geographic, my friend. Your unbreakable geode is not going to be broken. 5 seconds. Ah! I hate the pebbles. Oh! I don't think it's broken. I broke it? I broke it? I didn't. I think my sock's broken. Now I'll use my pillow since I have to. Yeah, rest in peace, sock. Oh, let me just take my beard out to have a look at this. And proof, guys, that it's not broken. It is literally broken my sock, number 1. And it's still in its form. So I won't be using this thing in winter. Look at the hole. Man, this is one of my favorite socks too. What the hell? I'm gonna give this one more time. Christmas strike! It literally buried itself in the ground! No, this is concrete. First, just see if it's possible to say that it breaks, to say that it's broken. I am going to take this out of my first sock to see if it is broken. It officially is, I guess. This is hard work. I'm just gonna get another suggestion. I'm going just to grab a piece of wood, put it down on the surface, and try break it on here. It's actually working, no way. I might actually be able to break the unbreakable. Nah, it's okay. Actually, I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way, does. bit of crystal I see. Oh, hammer. Hammer time. It did a whole backflip. Oh my god. No, that won't even work. It's probably bending it. Full strength didn't even break this guy. I broke it! The unbreakable! Oh my gosh. Oh, this is worth it. Gosh. No way, just smashed it. Have a look at this beauty. I don't know if I should smash it down or a bit more. Now, two options. Crystal end or rock end. Which way should I go? Crystal or the crystal go fine. Rock. Yeah, I'm going rock end. Oh! Came off a bit more. I'm thinking of like little quarters so I can have a bit for the family and all that. Surprised this wood idea actually worked. I'm going to save this big chunk. I don't want to destroy it anymore. I forgot about this one. That was easy. When they say it's hollow, I get what they mean. I just smashed this little guy in like 3 seconds. Have a look at that. Now I get what it means, it's hollow. Bye. Ah! A lot of more up here so you guys can have a look. I have lots of these. Is it worth splitting them in little pieces? I'd say so, because you get a bit of... You get a lot of them in case you lose one. In case if you lose a bit of pebble there. Crystals here, and I'm just going to have a little flick through to see what crystals I've got. Here, page 10-11. Here are all the options I can get. So there's drossy quartz, amethyst, fluorescent, geodes, seplar quartz, agate, and calcite. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't get fluorescent geodes, septic quartz, or amethyst. I got calcite, just common geodes. It's a common rock. So, calcite is a common constituent of limestone, a sedimentary rock, and therefore a common mineral found in geodes. Like I said, calcite crystals have 3 sides and range in color from clear to shades of red and orange. So I'm just gonna put them back in my bag. Now I'm gonna stand, and I'm gonna put this guy here. And the geode of the day is Pierce. I named this guy Pierce. Right. Sword. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I don't want to read the YouTube video, okay? No, that's a box. That's a box. Hey, Claude, sit. Sit. Good boy. So, this kit was awesome. I really liked it. So, if you want to keep your kids occupied, I would recommend this to keep occupied for a couple of hours. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, give that bell a bit of attention, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.